Chef Anthony here today. So excited, guys. I am gonna bring you today some coconut shrimp, nice and fried in our cast iron. We're gonna get right down to business. Right, I have our induction heated up to about an 8. Let's put it up to a 9. Keep it nice and safe. I have the parchment underneath to make cleaning a breeze. If we're not using an induction, let's bring our gas or electric up to a medium to high, right in the middle, that sweet range. And add probably, let's say, 2.5 to 3 cups of oil. This is vegetable oil, okay? So you can use vegetable oil, corn oil, just not any good oil, all right? 16, 20 shrimp peeled into vein. I have about 8 of those guys right here. Very nice. To this, we're gonna crack 1 egg, really create our batter. Nice and easy. Oh, nice shot. Grab our little fork, mix this around, make sure the egg's fully coated. This will be our binder for this. Very nice. Add a touch of salt and pepper to season these. Check on our oil, I hear it popping. It's probably been about 5 minutes to 7 minutes. We wanna get this to probably around 375 to 400 degrees, okay? To get that great little crisp and crunch. So, let's talk about our 3-part method here. So, I have a couple cups of panko breadcrumbs. To that, I'm gonna add 1 cup of shredded coconut. Look at that, very nice. And to that, I have my dredge mix, which is great. So all it is cornmeal, all-purpose flour, and some Old Bay. So we're gonna pop that in. Makes a really good amount, very nice. Season. What we're gonna do right now, quick and easy, let's set up a little station here. We're gonna take our shrimp, pack them in here, kind of press in that coconut, just with our hands. Very nice, look at that, see that? Quick way to test it, we're just gonna pop a little bit in, see how it's flying to the top. It's giving that little crisp crunch. That's what we're gonna do. Pop it right in just like this and pull away, all right? That one, very nice and easy. So we're gonna probably fry this probably 1.5 minutes on each side until it's golden brown, fully cooked. It'll just give us that little push back, okay? Look at that, very nice. See how the coconut really adheres to that? See, we want it nice and hot. You gotta have your oil very hot so it really crisps it and it doesn't saturate the fish in that oil. It makes it greasy, makes it unpalatable. It's not really a good way to start frying off some shrimp. It can be really good, I always say shrimp can be really good fried or it can be really bad fried. So that's our first outfit here. Don't crowd the pan as our second one. We wanna keep it nice and easy because you can do this in batches. Don't worry, your guests can wait. They want good shrimp, they want fun stuff. Look at that, that's perfect. I think I can get around 2 more in here. Yes, 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 1 more. Let's get that in. Quick tip here, we wanna get our Peltex, our fish spatula out, make sure it's nice and clean. We wanna just shimmy them around a little bit just to make sure that they aren't sticking to the bottom. You could use a little bit of a deeper fry, but we're going for a shallow fry. It works out very well. But look at that, looking really good. That's good coconut shrimp, very light in color. Toasted coconut right here and here. That's the ideal way. I always say let's cook it a little bit less the first time and give it a flip because we don't want it too brown too fast. It's really gonna sit in that oil, okay? My mother always said you can go in there, you can add more, but you can't take away, so, especially from a recipe like this. And we say, Chef, what do you serve with coconut shrimp? I always serve like an onion jam or something like that, maybe something sweet and spicy, or just your traditional stuff, some cocktail sauce, some remoulade. You even serve this over a salad, peach jam, you name it. Can't go wrong with coconut shrimp. Great base, very versatile. Once again, the induction, keeping it super clean. If you were on your gas or your electric right now, maybe you'd want to dial it down just to a medium so you're not really heating too much of it. Bit of oil maintenance, okay? Oh, look at that. Very nice. Like to put it on a little bit of paper towel or a towel just to get that excess grease off. Really helps clean it and, you know, cut down on our cholesterol a little bit. Look how good. Oh, this is like my favorite piece. You guys in coconut, look at that. Look at the toasted shaved coconut on that. Whew. Induction, shut this off. We can keep this warm, use it for another batch. For all intents and purposes, this quick and easy coconut shrimp done on your induction or just right on your cooktop. Few ingredients, simple and easy. There's nothing left to do. Try it. Mmm, so sweet, so crispy. Winner every time. Enjoy this. Have some fun making coconut shrimp.